Had you asked me 3 years ago today if I thought I'd be standing here, I don't think I would have believed you.
You are the Pam to my Jim, the Ellie to my Carl, and the only person I want to share this adventure with. 3 years ago, we made a choice that changed our lives forever. Despite our better judgments, we decided to go out on a Tuesday. Luckily for us, it was the best decision we have ever made. Since that night, I haven't stopped thinking about you.
I remember the first time I officially met you on your birthday at a bar, and I kept stealing glances your way. I thought you were the most amazing man I've ever seen, and to this day, I've never stopped thinking that.
I think I knew you were the one for me when our first few dates consisted of donuts, tacos, pizza, and Whataburger. As a matter of fact, 10 days after our first date, I texted my sisters that I was going to marry you. It was obvious to me, even back then, that you were special.
You make every day feel like an adventure. It's the normal Tuesdays in the car together, driving around town when you reach over and grab my hand to let me know you love me. It's the times when we're lounging on the couch together, binge watching Netflix, and you pull me close into you. You make every day with you an adventure, and you turn every situation into something fun.
A little slower.
I'm nervous.
You often call us complete opposites, and to some extent I agree. I do think sometimes you're crazy to actually put pineapple on your pizza, or crazy to think 2000s punk isn't the greatest music genre of all time. We do, however, have plenty of things in common. We both will never turn down an offer to eat Whataburger, no matter what time of day it is. We both want our lives to be rich and full of meaning, and we both wake up every morning knowing we made the right decision. We both know that win or lose, our fighting Texas Aggies will always be number one in our hearts. Woo!
I'll never understand why you chose me, the socially awkward art kid who listens to a bunch of EDM music, but I can't thank you enough for it. In return for your love, I promise to spend every day asking myself how I can make our life together better.
I promise to never let you go too long without having sushi. I promise never to lie to you unless you ask me if the pants look fat. I will lie. I promise to love you even when you say things like, do we have to listen to Eminem again? I promise to try not to claim we have to watch Harry Potter for the 1000th time. And I promise to care for you when you are sick and to help you solve all of life's problems.
I promise to love you unconditionally and to always say yes to Whataburger at 12 a.m. I promise to stand by your side and to always put us and our relationship first and to almost always clean up the dog poop in the house and to only pretend like I didn't see it sometimes first.
I knew it!
As beautiful as this wedding is, I can't wait for a marriage even more beautiful than that, and I can't wait for the rest of forever with you.
Mazel tov!